How to unhide groups on Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unhide groups on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Amo app. Once you are here, you're gonna find group assistance because you did hide some groups, and you're gonna find those groups in group assistance. Click on it, and like you see, this is the group I did hide. In this list, you're gonna find all the groups, all the hidden groups on your Amo app. To unhide this group, click on it, keep clicking on the screen and click on unhide. Now I did unhide this group. If you want to go back and hide, just keep clicking and click on hide group, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.